A sweet reminder, if you have not watched any of the 3 modules which we have covered, please just stop this video, go to that video. It's just between 2 to 3 minutes and it will hardly take your time. So go back to that video and see, and if you have seen, well and good. Welcome to this module number 4. What does this say? By the deficiency rule. Okay, as the name suggests, deficiency, what do we gonna cover here? We are gonna complete the part which is not there or which is incomplete. As we can see in the cloud structure, what does this say? Deficiency and completion together. Do you remember that by the completion or non-completion? Just like a partial way, it works here also. For example, if we just see here, 37 is close to 40 and is 3 below it. इसमें अगर हम 40 मीडियम लें तो ये 37 के 40 के क्लोज भी है एंड 40 के 3 बिलो भी है. Similarly with the second example, 75 is close to 80 and is 5 below it. If we take 80 as a medium तो 75 प्लस 5 करेंगे 80 हो जाएगा, और अगर 75 माइनस 5 करेंगे तो वो 70 हो जाएगा. So what does this say? Finding the deficiency in the problem and completing deficiency. This makes the problem very easy, right? To state this statement, let's take an example. 38 plus 5. Yes, 37 के जैसे होगा. अब जैसे 38 है, क्लोज टू 40 है, तो 40 को हमने मीडियम बनाया, तो 38 प्लस 5 तो है ही है. 38 की जगह मैंने 40 लिखा. वाई? बिकॉज आई हैव टेकन 40 एज अ मीडियम, और 5 देन -2. अब 2 क्यों लिया? बिकॉज 2 इज़ द डेफिशिएंट, और डेफिशिएंट हमेशा माइनस होता है. नाउ इसमें ये रूल बिल्कुल एप्लीकेबल हो रहा है. वाई? सो डेफिशिएंसी एंड कंप्लीशन टुगेदर. डेफिशिएंसी विल बी आर 2 and completion will be our 40. Yes, तभी 40 plus and then bracket में करा 5 minus 2 which just gave it as 40 plus 3, 43. Okay, to better understanding this, let's take 57 plus 7. Now 57 is close to 60 and is 3 below it. तो 57 की जगह directly 60 आ गया because 60 is the completion. We have taken it as a medium. Then 7 minus 3 करा. 3 minus क्यों करा? Because this is deficient. Okay, yes, it's very easy. You just need one more focus, and I would just suggest you to rewatch this again because this rule is a slightly bit different from other modules.